Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tyler with Tarver Academy, and I'm so excited you're here to learn with us. If you could, please hit the red subscribe button. That way you can find this YouTube channel if you want to learn anything else about Google or just being an educator. So let's get started. Today we're talking about how to use the Omnibox for instant searches. I think most of you have probably done this. The only thing you might not know is what in the world is an Omnibox? Well, I'm going to show you that today. So whenever you're on your Google Chrome and you want to go to a website, a lot of times you'll just go www.tarveracademy.com and you'll do that to go to the website. Okay. Other times you're like, okay, well, I can't remember what the exact website is for something. So you'll go to Google, not Goggle, Google, not that, Google.com, and you'll search Tarver Academy, and then it'll bring up results, and then you click again, and then you can get to the website. Now, I want to show you what we have up here. See this dark one right here? On your screen, it's probably not dark. I have my dark theme turned on. But this right here, where I've been typing in those web addresses, this is called the Omnibox. So while it can go directly to a website, if you type www. And you type in what you want, it'll take you directly there. But if you also just type in what you're looking for, it'll automatically transition it to a Google search. So it bypasses the whole, okay, www.google.com. Okay, type it in there. You can just type it up here in the first place and it'll search for it. So I could type, math videos, and it's just going to bring up math videos in the search automatically. Or I could just type in www.tarveracademy.com and go directly where I want to go. So that is what the Omnibox is and what it does for you. Hope that helped, guys, and you guys keep learning out there. Please be the hero in your classroom, and if you could, please subscribe. That way I can help you in the future. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Keep learning. Bye.
Hey, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my training video. If that helped at all, please subscribe to this channel. It's free, costs nothing. Just click the little red subscribe button unless they change the color. Hey, also, if you want me to come to your school and help train your teachers or your administrators or your students and help make your life easier with Google, just let me know. I've got links in the bio on how to get a hold of me. DM me at Tyler Tarver on Instagram or Twitter. You can go hit my email, tylertarver@gmail.com, or you can just yell really loud. Maybe I'm close. Oh, I thought I heard somebody. You want me to come train you on Google? No? Okay. It'll be fun. We'll learn a lot. And I'll give you a bunch of resources. So thank you guys. Hey, did you subscribe? We talked about it earlier. No pressure. But if you want to, I'll be here. Just gonna wait right here. Look at this lighting. Oh, wow.